How to connect Jira to n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira to n8n so you can start automating your project management workflow with ease. So we will walk you through setting up the Jira integration inside the n8n, including how to authenticate your Jira account and trigger workflow based on issues, updates, or project changes. Once it is connected, you will be able to automatically create or update Jira issues for other tools and also get real-time alert in Slack, email, or other apps when an issue changes. And you can build complex workflow that connect Jira with GitHub, Trello, Notion, and more. So let's get started. Before we begin, here is what you need. First is Jira account. It can be cloud version. And the second is access to your API tokens and active n8n instance, cloud or self-hosted. I'm using cloud version, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have already Jira account. So in order to connect with this, what you have to do is just, if you haven't created any project in Jira, I will recommend you to create new project by clicking on this create new project. Now after that, what you have to do is go to this URL, uh, id.atlassian.com. Wait for a second. I will show you this. This is the URL you have to visit. After that, you will be asked to enter the digital verification code. So just go to your Gmail and search for that code. As you can see, we got our code. Copy this code, paste into this verification box, and click on this verify button. After that, you will be prompted to this page where you can create API tokens, you can create API tokens with scopes as well. Now, I will recommend you to click on this create API tokens, or you can go with scopes as well. In the scopes, you can manage other scopes. So click on this create API, and then you have to enter the name. Like whatever the name you want to give, you can enter that name, and then you have to set the expiry date. For your security tokens can last no longer than this year. So click on this after setting up expiry date. Just simply click on this create button, and you will get this API token. Copy this and go to your n8n workflow. And into n8n workflow, just simply click on this plus icon in the top right corner. Search for Jira, and then you have to choose the action or the trigger. So I'm going to choose the action, click on this create an issue. And over here, and I have already connected this Jira to n8n, but to demonstrate you, just simply click on this create new credential. Now there, you have to have three things. First, email, API tokens, and the domains. So we have already copied the API tokens, paste it over here. Then go back to your Jira and copy your email address, and then paste it to this section. Then how you can find this domain? Go back to your Jira account and copy this merge URL and paste into domain section. And now just simply click on the save. As you can see here, I have successfully connected with the Jira. Let's close this. Now you will see this where you can set resources, operations, project, and issue type. Let's create a project. So I have already selected this action, which is create project. Now from here, you can choose the project name. Into that name in the project, you can choose issue type as well. And then after that, you can add the summary and click on this execute step. As you can see here, our node has been executed successfully. So this is how you can connect Jira to n8n. Thanks for watching.